Hello and welcome to my channel. I plan to record my journey towards financial independence and retire early in this channel. Currently, I mainly focus on sharing my Canadian dividend stock investment journey and those stocks in my portfolio. This is the way that let money works for you and generate more money. In the future, I will also add contents introducing products that saves you money. So if you are interested in these topics, hit the like button to let me know. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification to get the latest update. And now, let's get started. Today, the stock we are looking at is BMO, Bank of Montreal. It is one of the big five banks in Canada. It is also the 8th largest bank in North America by assets. BMO has been doing their business since the 1870s, which is a pretty long history. BMO's business are mainly focused in Canada and the US. Around 54% of the total bank net income are from Canada, while 40% are from the US, with 6% from other countries. In the US segment, 64% of the net income comes from personal and customer banking, 32% comes from capital market, and 4% comes from wealth management. And BMO is ranked 12th in the US commercial lending. BMO's business are mainly separated by 3 different operating groups, which are very well diversified. The operating groups are personal and commercial banking, wealth management, and capital markets. We can see in their last year's annual report, around 60% of BMO's internal net income comes from personal and commercial banking. Among the 60%, 23% are from the US, and 37% are from the Canadian market. And they have 20% on wealth management, as well as 20% on capital markets. And for BMO's wealth management segment, I personally do look good for its future. If you are investing in ETFs, I think definitely you should have heard about BMO's ETFs. They have a lot of ETF options that has been discussed heavily on the internet. And this is something I didn't see other big banks offer, or they may have ETFs, but may not be as widely discussed on the internet as BMO's ETFs. And also BMO also has other options, such as mutual funds. So the difference between mutual fund and ETFs is that mutual fund is management by some professional person, and they usually charge a higher management fee. And for ETFs, they are kind of passively managed. And as a result, ETF will relatively charge you a lower management fee compared to the mutual fund. And what is better for us dividend investors is that BMO has a 192-year dividend record on paying histories, which is the longest running dividend payout record of any company in Canada. And in the past 10 years, we can see that BMO has kept increasing their dividend per share year by year, which is also a great news. The stock price of Canadian banks has been performed pretty well this year, especially for BMO. If you have invested BMO at the beginning of the year, and as of today, you will be 33% up, which is a great increasement. And of course, the dividend offered by BMO is also pretty good. It's $4.24 per share as of now, and the dividend yield is 3.3%. The current price of BMO is $128 per share. I would not say this price is cheap. However, if we look at its year-to-date price change, it's actually increasing all the time. I started buying in BMO in February. That time is around 100 also. I think it's already expensive, and then it goes up to over 110, and then go over 120, and now comes around 128. So if you think this is a good stock, then I think you should buy it regardlessly of the price, even though it may be expensive, but it still could increase, right? We are buying this company for its potential, not buying it for its current price. Even though the price of BMO is over $100, it is still lower than its fair price, and it is actually 25% undervalued. Currently in my portfolio, I hold 4 shares of BMO with a total value of over $500. My average buying price is 116.25% per share, and BMO takes up around 3% of my entire portfolio. My ultimate return is around 10% up, meaning that I have gained around $47 since I invested in BMO. So overall, I think the 5 big banks in Canada are all solid investments if you're a dividend investor. They all offer you a good dividend, and BMO has been performing pretty well this year. So what do you think of BMO? Do you already hold BMO in your portfolio? Or do you intend to have BMO in the future? Leave a comment to let me know. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, hit the like button to let me know. If you are looking for a zero commission fee platform to invest stocks, I recommend you Wealthsimple Trade. If you are looking for high interest saving account, Wealthsimple Cash offers 0.77% interest and EQ Bank offers you 1.25% interest, which are all higher than the big banks. Check out my referral links in the description to get a referral bonus when opening these accounts. Thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video.